What is going on, guys? Aiden here from Losh TV, and we're back at Universal Studios Florida for another Halloween Horror Nights update. And as you can see behind me, we have a medallion. And I also realized this, yesterday's video, I completely forgot to put in the B-roll that I got of the walk into City Walk, where I saw the LED screen that had the Horror Nights advertisements on it. I'll put that on the screen right now as I talk. But we're gonna go in there, we're gonna go check out the tribute store that's now open. We're gonna go check out everything that's going on. If there's any new little details anywhere, we're gonna go see everything. So let's get in there, let's have a great time, and let's have some fun. Spooky season's here, 2 days away from HHN, guys. Crazy to think about. But here it is. Yesterday, of course, we took a look at all the individual banners with Jason Universe, Fallout, FNAF, Terrifier, and the Horrors of the White Six. Today, we take a look at the medallion, because that just came up. It's the stained glass with the Halloween Horror Nights 2025 on it. I think it looks nice, very simple, very to the point. It's cool. I'm okay with this. I feel like it's the smartest way they could have done this. But yeah, I like that. All right, before anything, let's go into the Universal Studios store and check out the new merchandise that has come out. Everything this way is all the same, but right over here, we have our weekly magnet releases. So, of course, we have Lil Boo, White Six, Mel's, Jason, the Gargoyle Blumhouse, the Originals, Terrifier, and then FNAF. And then right here, we actually have a look at our first one. And then how much is this? They're $14 each magnet. So you already know I'm coming back to grab the White Six one. It's nice. It's a great design. Let's come over here real quick, because this is where that new merch is. So we've seen the rock crystal candy already. This was over at the pumpkin store in San Francisco Candy Company. But right here, we have a gummy pizza slices. $10 for the gummy pizza slices. But this is the reason I came here. Oh yeah. Remember those red cups that you would get anytime you went out to a pizzeria? Right here, Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Place. 2 cups for $20. It has the Halloween Horror Nights 2025 logo on the back. This is an amazing product. Like, I'm buying this and getting this right now, actually. So, yeah, thumbs up for that. That is perfect. Also, here we have a new Mel's hat. So it has the drive-in stitched, and this is like a sticker, but look at the bottom. So we have the same design that we have on this shirt here. And then on the back, it's "We Are Dying to Serve You." How much is this hat? It's $35. Okay. Very simple. I also still love this little setup here in the center. Oh, and then this is new here. It's a new cup. This is large. Oh, I like this a lot. It's $35 as well. This holds a lot of water. Has a Halloween Horror Nights 2025 logo on it. We have that stained glass on this. This is fantastic. This is a nice way to have like all the IPs represented on one product that I'll actually use on a daily basis. This is new, because this wasn't here before. Hi everybody. And would you look at this? The house hoodie is back. Has the Halloween Horror Nights on the front with the pocket sleeves. This is just a pullover hoodie. And then of course all the IPs and all the originals on the back. How much is this one? Let's see. This one is $60. $60, and this hoodie could be yours. Going away from there, we're now here in New York, and look at the sights. Rocket's completely gone. Let me get closer so you can see it. And look at that. You can see the entire Ghostbusters firehouse again. That's so weird. Means that the only thing left here from Rocket is this pillar. Now, I completely wonder if we're gonna actually have this whole walking path back now. And like, this is just going to be the Ghostbusters firehouse. This is gonna be like a dead end section like always, but without any coaster. And the coaster is just in the back. Maybe, not 100% sure, but it's weird. They still have the photo stuff set up. I know you guys can see that there. The flash is there. The camera's probably not there anymore, but the flash is there. From that to this, as you guys can see, they've removed this side panel and they've added some stairs. Now they've been here for a little while. I just haven't seen them, so yeah, they're there. They also have a fog machine, so the fog will be pumping out that away. But yeah, it's looking nice. Let's head over to, not Sahara Traders, well technically Sahara Traders. Let's head over to the tribute store. As soon as we walk in here, we're actually greeted by the statue of Poseidon. Now this looks like it's the actual statue from the attraction, so that's pretty sick. There's also a bunch of paintings on the wall. Oh man, you got Lil Boo. Oh, camera's off. Lil Boo. That right there looks like the Wyatt compound that's getting burned down. I'll back up a little bit so you guys can see. But that looks like the Wyatt compound getting burned down. Speaking of that, we have Uncle Howdy right there. Tribby. Is that? That's Darkenon. That's cool. Let's take a look down here. Looks like we have whoop, the director. It's actually on loan from the sign. That's so funny because the sign building is where they usually do the tribute store, and this is on loan from the sign building. And right over here, we also have the storyteller. She has her glasses on in tone, also on loan from the Stein family. Sick, I love that. So there's actually just paintings all across here, everywhere. Each IP has an individual thing. Of course, I said that we have Uncle Howdy, we have Terrifier, Art the Clown, we have Jason Universe, Jason Voorhees. Oh, we have the Curator. Okay. Is there anything for fall? What is that? Oh my goodness, I don't know what that is. I love that there's curtains up here. There's a Poseidon one, obviously. There's a hedge maze. Okay. Alright. A lot of fun stuff here. Well, here's where all the Fallout merch is. Okay. It's cool. Like that. There's a gargoyle. These are nice little details. There's some stuff on display here. Nice. And then right up here, let me get a little zoom going. You have a little tribute store, actual window design. I love that. You have the Curator, and then you have 2015 all the way to 2025 because it's the 10-year anniversary of the store itself. You have the cat in the background. This is fantastic. Like, oh, throw that on a shirt, throw it on a pin, throw it on merch. I want it. It's nice. Guys, the garden exhibits are currently closed. No. So if we come back to the map, I can show you guys. So for example, whoop, this is where we are right now. We're in the Grand Atrium. So this would have been the entrance to the garden, and then the hedge maze and all the fun stuff. Like, you know, but nice. So, you know, I will say this: the store is small in sort of spots, but I think it still works. I think it still does the trick. Oh look, I haven't seen this at all. I'm gonna come around and look at that. Whoop. We have Jason coasters. Same as that like FNAF coaster, nice and hard. How much is this one? $10 for this coaster. Solid. I love this little detail here. We have a opening night gala event. Guest speaker, Professor Elias Baxter, which is the actual man that was doing the tours during Poseidon's Fury. They have a video going up here. It's the tribute store team working on the package that were delivered outside. Kind of trying to open everything. That's fun. Man, look at them. That's amazing. Love when they actually like do some homemade stuff here. Throw it in there just for fun. It's great. Now this is pretty cool. So over here, we actually have the idols. So these were, remember, they disappeared from Boris's office. So we have the Cthulhu one, the Tilda, creature. What is this? Carved stone idols. Okay. I don't know what this is, but that's quite terrifying. But man, this is nice. I love this. I love all the. Oh look, almost everything's on display here. Like up here, you have Cthulhu up there. You have a little gargoyle down here. Matilda. It's nice. I love this. I didn't even see this yesterday. I don't think this was here yesterday actually, but it's kind of cool. Oh, this is from that one tribute store. Wait a second. This is all stuff from the tribute stores. Because you have the Shady Brook Asylum, you have the Carnival Ride, you have the actual house. Oh, this is sick. Oh, they cooked. And then this is the theater that's out front. Boris's like window from the comic book one. Oh my goodness, they cooked with this design. Wow. Wow, dude. You know, hats off to the team. This design's fantastic. And then like this kind of just pays homage to all that. And then right over here, of course, we have paying homage to like every store. Because of course we had the tribute store in 2017 had the room 237 from The Shining, and then so on and so forth with everything up here. It is crazy. all the little details they have for the stores. I love it. I was about to walk out of here and I realized that I almost forgot this. Here's the coins, the collectible coins for this year. You have Jason, Fallout, Lobu, and Terrifier. You can get one of them for $7 or all 4 of them for $20. Now from leaving New York, we're over here in San Francisco going into the candy company, candy factory, to go see if there's any new pieces of merch or anything like that. Now as soon as we walk in here, it's the same stuff. It's kind of nice. I know that there's a pin for these because we saw it in Hollywood. So in Hollywood they have a pin for this. So I'm kind of just waiting for that pin to come out. Look at that, they added the prices to the individual items now. So now how much everything is one by one. So we don't have to look up here. Of course that's there, but we don't have to look up there. So now it has the prices on it. That's nice. That's nice. I like that the prices are on there. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Of course they're also up here, but having them here helps out a lot. So I can be like, okay, this is what that is. Oh, the bathrooms. The Jaws bathrooms are still closed. Just waiting. These have to be open tomorrow, right? Or Friday? Maybe tomorrow, because Premium Scream Night's tomorrow, so maybe they'll have it open tomorrow. But right now it's closed. So little by little, we're getting there. Progress is here. So soon. I also heard online that preview night was very solid. Was good. People liked a lot of the houses. I can't wait to see them. I think they're going to be great. So there's that. Terrifier went down for an extended amount of time. It was down for almost the entire night. So that blows. But hey, more people get to experience it together on opening day, which is nice. So yeah, solid. I also still want to know if I'm going to watch this on opening night. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But I know it's going to be busy. So I'll probably watch this sometime during opening weekend. Same as with Hauntophonic. I'll probably try to watch them on opening weekend in general. Now we came down this way. Going over here, I'm going to try something that I've quite literally never had before, but I've talked about it for the entire month. That's right, we're going to Duff Gardens. Here we have the full menu for Dufftoberfest. I didn't get the collectible sign, I just got the regular drink. First Dufftoberfest, cheers to everyone. I've never had this before, I don't know what it tastes like, I don't know what to expect. I'm being told that this tastes like beer. Wanna try it?
I don't like beer, so.
It doesn't have like that heavy feel like a beer does. You know what I mean? Now beers sit heavy.
That's very light
Yeah.
and buttery.
It's like a butter beer?
Almost like a...
It gives me the lightness of a Corona.
Okay.
A light.
I can see that.
Or a Blue Moon. A light.
Ooh.
A light.
Yeah, this is
Blue
good
Moon
though.
is heavy.
I don't like beers, but this is actually pretty decent.
It's refreshing.
It's refreshing, like,
Yeah.
especially on a hot day like right now.
But don't drink that as to hydrate.
Yeah, don't drink this to hydrate. Don't drink beer to hydrate. Drink beer after you drink like 3 glasses of water. Because it's Florida, it's hot. Don't just drink beer, drink water. But hey, Dufftoberfest, chef's kiss. It's actually pretty good. All right, guys, we're currently inside of Crooked Lane. This actually feels really weird. I usually don't get filmed, but since I'm drinking, I need to remind you guys, do not drink and drive, but you can drink and do this. For me, I'm a sipper, I'm not a chugger, but great. I am beyond excited for this weekend. We're gonna go into Five and Dime, see if they have any new merch in there. Don't think there's anything new, but I saw like online people bought like the Jason jersey and like the Jason pin. So I'm just curious to see if it's out anywhere right now. In general, I'm just looking for it. Now inside of Five and Dime, I realized that this is the only location that has this Roosevelt shirt that I've seen today at least. So yeah, this Roosevelt shirt, I've only seen it here. In other places, but today it's the only place I've seen it. They also have the rock candy here, the gummy bears, the fan. But yeah, nothing else. We're still waiting on that Jason stuff that has not shown up yet. Don't know when we're getting it. Don't know if we're getting it over here, but I know for sure it'll be here Friday, hopefully. But yeah, I'm really just waiting on the little Boo pin, the Jason pin, things like that. But they also don't have the Hello Kitty stuff here. So we're gonna go to the front store because Lexi wants to grab that shirt. We are here and Lexi's making a game time decision of getting this acid wash shirt Or this shirt. It's gonna be her shirt for opening day, right? Probably. I like the acid wash shirt, but that's just a me thing. But it also has like the greens and everything. I think this shirt pops. Like, I think it looks beautiful. I think that's a great shirt.
Thanks.
I think you should get that one. How much is it?
37.
37? It's not bad. Yeah, she's getting this one, guys. All right, guys, so we actually bought 2 boxes of the FNAF mystery pins. I know I said I wasn't the biggest fan of these, but I buy all the pins anyway. I'm gonna open one, then I'm gonna open the other. These are all our chances that we can get. This is a great thing to have 2 boxes. We got Cupcakes to Chase, we got Chica, Freddy, Foxy, Yellow Bunny, Spring Bonnie, and Bonnie. So let's open these up, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What do you think? What do you think we got, guys? Trash. Lexi thinks we got trash. Let's open this first one. It's weird. So I'm so used to it in the past. I can feel like a texture material on these and I would know what it is almost immediately. But now it's kind of like, I don't know. These are like Losh TV proof. Dang. Am I going to have to use my teeth? Brother. Oh, there we go. Okay. Don't litter when you're here, guys. All right. Our first one, we got Bonnie. Very cute. We're going to put Bonnie here on the counter. Counter. Don't throw your trash on the floor. Put it back in the box and then throw the box away. Got it? Good. Unless you want the box, then keep the box. This one is easier. All right, let's see. We got Freddy. Fredbear, okay. All right. This is fun, this is exciting. We love opening pin boxes. I think I'm gonna break my streak this year. I'm not gonna get a chase on my first box. Let's see. I'm hoping for no duplicates. Okay. Foxy. Oh, this is great. Yep.
Hope you guys like the Super Left Pets
yeah.
music in the background.
All right, last pin here. What do we got? Oh, we got a duplicate. Okay, so we got Bonnie. So we'll show you guys the haul. Come down here. We got 2 Bonnies, a Freddy, and a Foxy. So we just need 3.
Do I get the Bonnie?
You can get a Bonnie. For being the cameraman, you get Bonnie. All right, guys, as the sun is setting on another fantastic day, that's the end of our updates for today. We'll come back to the park tomorrow for another, not Horror Nights update, but more so a walk around and let's have fun day. I'm also thinking about doing a live stream tomorrow. Let me know down below if you guys want to see that. We're staying in our hotel, we checked in already. So maybe something from the hotel. Live stream from the hotel room so you guys can check that out. But for now, if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a huge favor, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see next. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.